For February, for the trap and calf work, just doing trap circles. So doing a minute's worth of either just the straight strokes, might be an easier version, going through a full range of motion, coming right up, right down, keeping the neck nice and stable, tongue on the roof of the mouth, or rotational. Because these are a fairly small range of motion, using a band isn't a lot different from using just a load like a dumbbell. I like using dumbbells because I can rest it like that to get that internal rotation there, come up to neutral, and then rest them behind and get that position there. The whole goal of it is to try and stabilize the neck and rib cage against the scapula, elevating, retracting, depressing, elevating, protracting, pressing and internally rotating the shoulder. Or you can just circle it around and circle the other way. You're trying to keep that tongue position, neck nice and stable, and it depends what you want from it. If you're going heavier, you could do it much heavier, or you can just use it more to get that low level of loading through the neck to get that postural response there to really help get blood supply to heal all of that. A lot of people, especially with handstands and just a life of training, you get a lot of neck tension, so it is good to get that kind of high volume, low intensity work through there to get all the postural fibers fired up and then get a lot of blood flow in there to heal it. Same goes for the calves. They respond better with more volume, so doing straight calf raises this month, turn out and turn in, so you get those 3 different directions. You can turn them into jumps. It is a lot different if you're just doing the static ones because you're going from that dead position. You can do it off a step as well, works really well to get through a full range of motion. Very common injury are calves, so I always encourage some type of, this month we just did single leg balancing, eyes closed, and then the calf raises, which I found really effective for people to really feel their feet and make that connection with how the handstand works on the hands, all those little twitch responses in the foot, those micro adjustments. But the calf raise is really good as well as a simple way to keep those Achilles healthy, the feet healthy, the calves healthy, so that you don't get a tear. It is a really nasty injury, and I've seen too many of them, and it's totally preventable if you do something like this once a week and keep them really healthy. So you might aim to get 20 reps, 20 reps, 20 reps every round, and then build that up over the month to 40 reps of each or something every round for 3 rounds. So it's quite a lot of volume, but they really need that blood supply to stay healthy and stay flexible and pliable and strong. Get into that, let me know how you're going. If you've got any questions, send us through. Make sure you use the videos from straight on and side on, so if you've got any imbalances or whatever in the neck and the shoulders or in the calves and the knees, that way we can see it and work it out if there's pain or something you're working with. Cheers guys.